Metropolis II has been a crowd favorite since it came to LACMA in 2012. Created by artist Chris Burden, Metropolis II was modeled after a frenetic modern city, a lot like Los Angeles. Metropolis II is made up of 1,100 custom-made cars with 4 different body types. There are also 8 electric loop trains and 5 electric trolleys on the sculpture. Cars run on 18 lanes and are each given a lane assignment. The cars are pulled to the top of the lanes by magnets. There are magnets on the bottom of each car and underneath the 3 conveyor chains. Once the cars reach the top, the cars race freely down the track. Metropolis II is comprised of over 200 buildings. Wooden blocks are one of the most widely used materials for the architecture in the sculpture. Other materials used for the buildings are Lego bricks, Lincoln logs, Eames cards, natural stone tiles, aluminum, plastic, and custom mirrored acrylic and metal pieces. Metropolis II is what's called a kinetic sculpture. A kinetic sculpture is an artwork that depends on movement for its effect. Because the sculpture has moving parts, it requires constant, hands-on attention from museum staff.
My name is Rich
My name is
Sandamino.
Allison Walker.
My name is Lori.
I'm
I'm
a
a
kinetic
kinetic
sculpture
sculpture
technician.
technician
I work on Metropolis
for
II.
Metropolis II.
Metropolis II has a team of 4 conservators that are solely focused on the sculpture's maintenance and care. The conservation team spends approximately 35 hours per week cleaning, repairing, and making improvements to the various parts of the sculpture, including the cars and trains. While the sculpture is on, they are carefully watching to make sure it is running smoothly and that no cars fall off. Also, because the operator must stand on the sculpture while it is running, they need to remove their shoes first. The greatest challenge faced by Metropolis II's conservation team is dust. Dust can add resistance to Metropolis II's moving parts if it is left on the sculpture for too long. Conservators thoroughly clean dust off the sculpture weekly. Similarly, the cars must be cleaned and inspected weekly. Conservators remove dirt and dust from all areas of the cars. Cars with loose wheels or magnets, or that frequently fall off the sculpture, are removed to be inspected and repaired. Trains need lots of cleaning and repairs too. Every week, conservators clean the train's locomotives. A deeper clean of the train's rolling stock happens once a month. A deep clean involves cleaning the surface of the wheels, removing any lint from inside, and oiling various parts of the train. Since Metropolis II came to LACMA in 2012, it has run for over 4,800 hours. It has taken many more hours of maintenance and repairs by conservation staff to make that possible. Next time you visit Metropolis II, think about all the work involved in keeping this amazingly unique and constantly evolving work of art going.